Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. Not all lifts are equal, as you can see here. Okay, we have here the B2 Superlift. This is undoubtedly the original best lift you could ever buy. Okay, we've also got here one of the better of the competition. These are both scissor lifts, which means the thing will vertically lift your bike. You've got a parallelogram lift. The problem you got is your wheel will not be in line with the forks. As you go up and down, it will go left and right. The scissor, on the other hand, if you want to watch this demonstration, as you can see, is going up. And going down. Turn it. As this thing goes up vertically. Most lifts are like what we call a parallelogram lift. Okay, and as you can see here, it's got positive locking, which will drop into various positions. This lift is now pretty well at the maximum height. Okay, the good lifts, don't get me wrong, we do use them. Now this lift, super lift, apart from the fact this is running on the floor, now you can see this lift completely different ball game. Much stronger ram, much higher, and we're still going up. Now Frank from B2, I know personally, great guy. Okay, this thing will actually take 1.5 tons okay, paving slabs, because that's how he tests them. Only recommended to 500, but as you can see here, big difference in the height. Okay, so you're lifting a big Harley up, something like that. This is obviously nothing like as stable, because these wheels are running in a proper mechanism here. Okay, also you would now put a bar through the bottom. The wheels can be removed as well, so if you want to take the wheels off to stop it moving when you put it on a bench, etc., you can do that. But just check, build quality of this thing is unbelievable. These are made by B2 in Holland, top of the range. This is Superlift. We also do the mega lift, the Had, various other lifts. The mini lift Frank introduced as well, fantastic bit of kit as well. But you can really see the difference here. If you're working on a bike, the height difference, you know, is massive. And obviously this is much more stable. It's actually lower as well. This lift is 4 inches high, which means it will do the Dyna Lowrider, which a lot of lifts won't. Okay, as you can see, this is much thicker metal. Okay, if you're interested in great workshop equipment, we've got it all. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.